I swear, this lady chopped off like 6 inches of my hair. I have never heard of somebody leaving bleach in a person's hair for that long. I would literally be mortified. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. I'm gonna be vlogging today, probably over the next few days as well. But today I wanna go to the store and see if I can find some curtains to put on this wall as like a backdrop. I'm thinking I wanna do like white sheer kind of curtains or even like fabric if I could find that. I just wanna try to set up this area as like my dedicated filming area because I don't have any other place in my apartment to really sit down and film. And this is really the only space that I have. If I didn't have this pole, you know, it would make things much more easier. But this is technically supposed to be my dining room area. Like, do you guys see how small that is? Anyway, I cannot wait to move, but I think I want to just do like some curtains here, so it's basically like a backdrop. Maybe some lights is what I'm envisioning in my head, but I'm gonna go to the store and see if I can do that. I freaking love these jeans, you guys. I wear them all the time. Actually, they're from Shein. They were in my Shein try on haul from a few months ago. Super cute. But that is what I'm about to go do. That is what I'm about to go do. I also will be going to eat some vegan soul food, which I'm really excited about because it is so good. I'm gonna show you guys this place in DC called New Vegan. So let's go. Just got to Target. Gonna look for some curtains. I need these too, the cheap ones. Okay, so I don't know what I'm really doing. So my idea was to get the command strip and then put those on the wall and then put curtains on these little cheap rods. Like, you think that'll stay?
Yeah, because these things,
yeah, I need those.
they support a bunch of weight, and curtains,
I'm gonna get the sheer ones that are light.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking,
unless it's like a super heavy like blackout sheets.
No.
Yeah, that's
Let me look at the curtains first. Oh, there's some over here. Not for $45.
Damn.
No. What about these? Oh, look, these are $14. And they have like texture. I like that. Or these are cheaper. I think these will do.
Yeah, you gotta look at them.
The blue is nice too, but it's gonna be dark. I'm gonna do these. $9 or $10. So I don't know how many I need. Oh, they come in 2? I don't know. Hey guys, so I left Target. You guys saw that I picked up everything that I needed for the little backdrop thing I'm trying to do. I think I got everything. Hopefully I have enough because it's only going to be just like, you know, right behind me. So hopefully the 2 curtains are more than enough. But right now I'm waiting for my food. I didn't go inside to get it, so I can't really show you guys the restaurant, but I'm going to show you guys on Instagram. But it's called New Vegan Cafe and it's a vegan soul food place. So this is the place on Instagram, a New Vegan Cafe in DC Northwest. So yeah, if you're vegan or even if you're not, you should definitely try them out because it's coming, the food's coming. But their food tastes so good and I swear it's like the best chicken I've ever had. The food is here.
I don't know, dude, and they're tripping. I'm like, look, man.
What? Cornbread, so good. So we're eating in the car. Let's see what it looks like. So good. I brought like 3 other people here and they all love it. And they weren't like vegan. They're not vegan, but they like it. Ooh, so good. Watch me like drop all this shit. I should probably show it the other way. I got the chicken drummies, which are so good. They're like seasoned and they have like the crispy chicken skin feeling. Not feeling, but texture. And then sweet potato, yams or whatever, and then vegan mac and cheese. Everything is vegan, so delicious. Where, look at this. Chicken sandwich. So good. And you got mac and cheese and yams. Yum. Hey guys, so I just got home and I'm gonna attempt to put up the little curtain backdrop with the curtains I got from Target. I'm gonna try that right now. I turned on my ring light so we get some light up in here because my apartment is very, very dark. So I'm gonna set you guys up and see how this is gonna work. I'm gonna like insert an inspo idea. I didn't necessarily think of one ahead of time, but I'm gonna try to find one to show you guys what I kind of mean as I do this. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing from there. I think you can. So first thing, I'm just going to move my mirror. And I'm going to need a chair. Me and my best friend are gonna do a paint and sip, and this is just a preview of my talent. I tried to paint a portrait of myself from when I was a kid. This is how it came out. I'm gonna insert the picture of what I was trying to recreate. Like, what the heck? Tell me how I did. I'm gonna put the picture right here. And this is my rendition of it. All right, so you guys saw I ended up getting these. These were $10. These are from the Room Essentials brand. So it's basically like that little cheap Target brand. I'm gonna put the curtains on the rod first and then try to hang it, because obviously that would make sense. I didn't take any type of measurements or anything, so we'll see how this goes. And I spilled some stuff on my sweater. I don't even know if you guys can see that. So this is a tension rod. This was only $4 too. Ooh, okay, I think it's gonna work how I want it to. I think it'll be long enough. I kind of feel like it'll be better if I have more curtains so that it's more scrunched up and not so spread out. We'll see how this goes. If anything, I can just go back and get a few more curtains, but I think my idea is coming to life. I'm just gonna hang the command strips. Hey guys, so it's actually like 2 days later. I picked up some more of the curtains from Target, so I'm gonna try and finish the little DIY backdrop thing. I got 4 more panels, so I think that should be enough to like make it look the way that I want. But this is the reality of my day 5 hair. I'm gonna show you guys. I think I'm gonna pre-poo later because I'm going to wash my hair today. Also, it's like 7:30 in the morning on a Saturday. I don't know if you guys can see that, 7:32, but I'm up early because I want to film a video, so I'm trying to figure this out so I can have this as my backdrop. Obviously, I have a lot of things to do today, and I need to edit this video so I can get back on my Sunday posting schedule. But yeah, I'm gonna go hang this up. I'm so freaking pale and tired. Somebody take me on vacation. Okay, so this is how it turned out. I think it looks pretty good. It's like scrunched up the way that I wanted it to be, but I don't have the light on right now. This is how it looks with the light on. I don't like my lights because they're just like very direct. So I don't know if I'll film with them on, or actually I could move that so it's like literally hitting the backdrop. Let me try to do that. I wish it was like pointing down a little bit lower. I don't know if this is gonna look the way that I want it to. Okay, so this is what I'm envisioning you'll see as my backdrop Maybe I'll move Miss Lily over, even though she's kind of dying. Like, I'm watering her. I put her in the shower with me so she can get steam and all that humidity. It's just very cold in Virginia right now. It's not that cold, but it's kind of cold for her. Anyway, this is what I'm kind of envisioning. Obviously, I'm gonna have like my softbox lighting and everything, so hopefully it's brighter. Hopefully I get what I'm actually going for. I really hate how like direct these lights are. See, it looks pretty nice in the background right now, but we'll see what it looks like when I actually film. I did want to add some like fairy lights like in the back of the curtains, but I wanted to see how this looks before I spent money on lights, because I actually spent $10 on every panel. So I got, that's $60 for a panel or for all the curtains, and then the rod was like $4. So I don't know, I probably could have found cheaper curtains somewhere, but I just wanted to get it done. My hair is a mess, but I'm gonna go to the gym right now, and then I'm gonna come back and wash my hair, and I'm gonna actually film a makeup video. That's why I wanted to set this up. I just wanted a really like nice clean background. So I'll see you guys when I get back. Hey guys, so I just got back from the gym, so I look really crazy, but I wanted to show you guys the pre-poo that I have been loving and using almost every wash day. Not really, but this is the pre-poo from African Pride. I shared it on my Instagram a little bit ago, and it's the aloe and coconut water detangle and condition pre-shampoo. And look at this huge scrunchie I got. All right, I was trying to figure out like the lighting situation, but this is just really bad lighting in my bathroom. But this is day 5 hair, like I mentioned earlier, and I didn't even realize how much of this I actually used already, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using the rest of this today. This is the consistency of it. It's like really jelly. Put this all over. I love the way that this feels, and it smells so good. I like candy. I would usually go like probably like 4 sections, but I don't have a lot of it and I don't want to waste it on one area, so I'm just going to try to put it all over as much as I can. And I'm just going to be wrapping this up for like 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna get in the shower. And this is pretty much empty, and I think I only used it like 5 times maybe, and it was like $11 I think. So I definitely would purchase it again. I just thought I would get more use out of it, unless I'm like using way too much at a time. I don't really know, but I like it and I'll definitely buy it again. So if you're looking for a pre-shampoo, you should check out African Pride. I just bought this at my local beauty supply, but I think they sell them at Sally's. I'll try to link it down below if you're interested. Hey guys, it was actually the next day. I'm pretty sure the last time I picked up this camera to vlog, it was pre-pooing my hair. I think that's correct. So this is what my wash day ended up being like. It honestly wasn't the best wash day. I mean, it's not bad at all, but it just kind of feels like I have too much product in my hair. I think I left a little too much conditioner in my hair, and then I put product on top. So anyway, yeah, I wanted to end out this vlog before I continue adding random stuff to it. But update on the DIY backdrop wall, that was a complete fail. I did film my makeup video in front of it. That video was trash. I deleted the whole thing and I refilmed it this morning because I did not like the way that it came out. So I definitely think I need to add like lights behind the curtains. If I do that and it comes out good, I'll update you guys on my stories or something, or incorporate it into a future vlog if you even care. But I thought it would be a really cool idea. It's just not really working out how I imagined. But before I end this vlog, I want to share with you guys some horrible curly haircut experiences that you guys shared with me through Instagram and YouTube. So a few days ago, I had posted on my story on Instagram to share with me your horrible curly haircut experiences, whether that was at a professional salon or if you did like a horrible DIY experiment or whatever. You guys are real picky and choosy when you want to respond to me, which is totally understandable because I'm not very consistent on Instagram. So sometimes I'll get like a bunch of responses and other times I'll get like 1 response. But somebody who always responds when nobody else cares is Alexis, and I'm gonna share with you guys her curly haircut experience gone wrong. Well, first I'll share my bad curly haircut experience, and that was the first time I ever got a diva cut. I gathered all my corporal coins because I was still active duty in the Marine Corps, really not making that much, and I thought like $100 haircut is super expensive to me at the time. I mean, that's still pretty expensive now, but at the time I was like scraping by, okay? So I drove 3 hours to San Diego because I was living in Arizona just to get this diva cut. I paid like over $100. I swear, this lady chopped off like 6 inches of my hair. Not only did she chop it off, it was uneven. So one side was like higher than the other. When I went back to Arizona, me and my roommate kind of like evened out my hair, and I was so upset. And I just was like, I was just so annoyed because first of all, I've never got a curly hair cut, and then the first time I ever do it, I have this bad experience which made me not trust stylists anymore. That's why I did not get a curly haircut for all these years. So the one that I got in my recent video was the first one I ever got since that incident in 2017. But now that I had this really good experience, I feel more open to like going back and getting different curly haircuts and whatnot. So I'm gonna share with you guys what Alexis shared with me. If you're watching this video, thank you. I appreciate you. Let me find where I saved them at. Anyway, so this is the first story. I went for a trim at MOS school and this happened, and she sent pictures. So this is her hair before. I'll probably insert them on the screen. And this is her hair after. It's literally like uneven. This is exactly what happened to me actually. One side was, I swear, at least 2 inches shorter. So yeah, that was horrible. Okay, the next one is from Brendalyn from Instagram. She said, I went to Bell Tower thinking if I paid the extra money, it would work out, especially since it was supposed to be from a diva certified person. And I left with half my hair. Worst part is I hate confrontation. So when she was like, do you like it? I couldn't even look her in the eyes, and I said, mm-hmm. And yes, she was. Okay, wait. I already read this and I responded back to her, but I didn't even catch what she said at the last sentence. So you guys can take that for yourself. Is this focusing? I feel like both of their stories are basically what happened to me. Like my hair was uneven and she cut off way too much length. And it's like, what can I do about it? It's not like she's gonna glue the hair back on. Like maybe I could have got a discount or something, but if I sit there and say, oh, I freaking hate it, like what is she gonna do? Cut more to try to fix it? Like, no, thank you. Okay, so this is from somebody who commented on my recent video. Her name is Annie Peterson. So she said, yes, I got a haircut at Great Clips once about 7 months ago. I have 2C3A curls and the lady brushed out all of my hair into a giant poofy mess and cut way too many layers. It was a hot mess and my hair felt so thin. Then about a week later, I took matters into my own hand and cut it myself, and it was so much better. For this one, when I read this one, as soon as she said I took matters into my own hands, I swear my chest got tight and I was like, oh no, this is gonna be bad. But I'm happy that it turned out good because I thought that was gonna go all the way left. So this last one is from a subscriber named Mimi, and it says, I haven't had a bad haircut so much, but I had the worst dye job done by a professional hairdresser. She left bleach in my hair for 1.5 hours. I lost all my curls and still have not gotten them back to how they were, even nearly 4 years later. That is literally so freaking sad because you go to a professional salon because you think they know what they're doing. I have never heard of somebody leaving bleach in a person's hair for that long. I would literally be mortified. So I'm so sorry, Mimi, and I hope that you get your curls back soon. She said this was about 3 years ago, but it's still pretty bad for her. So I really hope that your curls get better for you. But that is gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you let me know if you do like the vlogs, if you like them more structured, like if I'm actually going out and doing something specific, or if you really don't mind that I just do like a random stuff for a few days and I just jumble that all up into one vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.